First and 10 at their own 39. Lions to the lone receiver on the right. It's caught by DeBeebe, slipping a tackle, and down the sideline he goes. Dawson DeBeebe goes all the way. A 61-yard touchdown for Dawson DeBeebe. His second score of the day puts Lycoming up by 10. O'Connor drops back on second down and 11. Another deep shot. Troop's got it again, and he's got another score. What a night for Braden Troop. 2 catches, 2 touchdowns. They show pressure here on third down and 3. Golban keeps rolling right. He's got nobody open. He decides to throw it short, and it's picked off. It's going to be 6 for the Greyhounds. Aiden Lane, a pick 6 to give the Greyhounds the lead.
Untimed down, last play of the first half. Reed Wright steps up, ball's loose. A strip sack recovered by Tozer. And Westminster escapes with the first half shutout.
McCarthy to pass after the play action fake. A deep ball down the right sideline for Tozer, who mosses a man and hauls it in at the 24. Snell back to pass from the Westminster 31. He's going to the end zone, and it's intercepted in the end zone. Xavier Howard taken down inside the 5-yard line, but that's how the Owls get the momentum right back. First and 10, Golban to the sideline. Tabor hauls it in. Tabor has the pylon. He dives into the end zone for his second touchdown. Catholic brings 4. Lions, a deep drop. It's a screen for Ferguson. Going nowhere. Max Desir in the backfield for a loss. O'Connor gets the snap. Comfort gets the carry, and Comfort rumbles his way into the end zone for an Owls touchdown. Still a 12-point game, 24-12, with the Warriors out in front. Both teams at 3-5 on the season, in their second to last game of the regular season. Here's Ferguson on first down. 2-yard gain. Ferguson had 3 yards per carry, 33 yards overall in that first half. Elijah Jordan was the running back that scored a touchdown for Lycoming on his first carry of the day, a 13-yard touchdown for his first career score. The other 2 touchdowns through the air from Lions to DeBeebe. Rolling left is Lions. Looking Klein's direction. He's got it inside the 40. Down to the 38-yard line as Desir made another tackle. He's the man who had the tackle in the backfield on third down of the last possession for Lycoming. Now it's another third down. Third and short from just inside the 39-yard line. They put Van Horn under center here on third down and a long one. Van Horn up the middle, awaiting the official spot. Looks like they mark it at the 37, which would be enough for the first down. It's the third time that Van Horn has carried the football today. The first 2 times were direct snaps out of shotgun. This time he went under center for a quarterback sneak tush-push situation. He didn't get much of a push there from his running back. Looked like Ferguson was back there. And now they're going to bring out the chain gang. An official measurement here to decide if it's going to be 4th down in inches or a 1st down in 10. Two minutes and some change left in this third quarter. One would assume if Lycoming doesn't get the call here, they could just run that exact same play back with Van Horn. The Cardinals had not been able to stop him so far today. Line to gain was the 37. And the ball is past the line to gain. It's a first down for Lycoming. So it's a 2-yard gain for Van Horn. Another Lycoming first down as they move the chains. 2.5 to play here in this third quarter. The Warriors up by 12. Looking to regain a 3-score advantage on the road. So on 1st and 10, a pistol look with 2 receivers to the right. Lyons rolls right, goes for Klein, incomplete. Broken up by Donnelly in that defensive backfield for the Cardinals. That's the 9th pass breakup for Tyler Donnelly this year. He had 7 coming in, the top mark in the Landmark Conference. He continues to impress out at that cornerback island. Pistol look again on 2nd down. Lyons changing the protection. He gives to Jordan. Jordan stuffed. Sean Holt and company there right at the line of scrimmage for the Cardinals defense. And it'll be 3rd down and long again. Third and 9 from the 36. Less than 2 minutes to go in the third quarter. Lycoming leads by 2 scores. Trips to the left. The 27, the line to gain for the Warriors. Flag down as Lyons lets it fly, and it's incomplete. Intended for Klein, and a late flag. It's going to be likely unnecessary roughness. 3rd and 9 from the 36. Less than 2 minutes to go in the third quarter. Lycoming leads by 2 scores. Trips to the left. The 27, the line to gain for the Warriors. Flag down as Lyons lets it fly, and it's incomplete. Intended for Klein, and a late flag. It's going to be likely unnecessary roughness or pass interference against Creston. But let's see what the first flag was. A flag at the line of scrimmage, a flag in the defensive backfield where that hit was by Creston against Klein. So it's a pass interference against Creston and an illegal shift against Lycoming. So those fouls offset, and it'll be another 3rd down and 9 here. We'll replay it. That's a big call in the back end. They said that Creston got to Klein before the pass got there. So that's what led to the PI call in the defensive backfield. It negates a 3rd down stop. As we'll replay 3rd down and 9. 2 receivers each side. Catholic brings 4. Lyons steps up across the middle. DeBeebe hauls it in, and he's got another 1st down. What a day for Dawson DeBeebe. Over 100 yards in the first half. He's got a couple of catches here in the third quarter, and that catch moves the chains for the Warriors. Spot at the 24-yard line as we reach a minute to play now in the third frame. Lycoming looking to regain their 3-score lead that they brought into the second half. Catholic scored on a Daquan Harvin 6-yard rush. The only score of the quarter so far. 2 receivers left here on 1st down. Long read, and then sliding down is Lyons at the line of scrimmage. He might even lose a yard here. It's where the hip starts to dip. That's where they mark the ball when a quarterback slides. So that's going to be a loss of a yard for Lyons. And with about 17 seconds left on the game clock, over 20 seconds remaining on the play clock. We're going to trickle down to the end of the third quarter here from Cardinal Stadium in D.C. The Warriors lead by 12 and begin the fourth quarter at the Cardinals 25. Second down and 11. A give to Brady Jordan. Jordan inside the 20, down at the 18. We've seen Spencer Ferguson get carries, Elijah Jordan, Michael Van Horn, Jared Zimmerman even has a carry in Wildcat. And Brady Jordan getting involved in the action now at running back. Spencer Ferguson checks back in here on third down and 4 from the 18. Trips to the right. DeBeebe, the lone receiver, on the left side of the formation as Zimmerman motions. Catholic brings a blitz. It's a dump off to the flat. Ferguson's got it, and he's got a Lycoming touchdown. A perfect pressure beater from the Warriors offense.